Hey y'all, I'm Cheraw Tony and I am in downtown Savannah, Georgia, standing outside of the mansion on Forsyth Park. We are fixing to go inside and look at ladies' hats. You heard me right, ladies' hats. Here on the Cheraw Tony channel, nothing is off the table. And we are going inside and feast our eyes on ladies' hats. So we'll get started right after this station identification. The hats in the mansion on Forsyth Park is known as the Kessler Collection, celebrating ladies' hats from the 1860s to the 1960s. I have been to all types of museums, but I have never been to a museum that has just hats. And these ladies' hats are everything from everyday hats to wedding hats, funeral hats. There's straw hats, felt hats, paper hats, fedoras, sassy silk bonnets. There's feathers and beads and bows, everything. By the time you leave this place, you would really be a Mad Hatter. Ladies don't wear hats today like they did then. Look at this thing. Looks like a witch would wear that hat. Or maybe a hippie. I don't know. But this place was really wild. I've been wanting to get in here for ages, but it's always hard to find parking. So I lucked up and parked about a block away and had to really hoof it because I was in limited parking. And in Savannah, they charge to park everywhere. And in the mansion, there's not just hats, there's other types of art as well. And we're just getting started. Flapper hats, hats from the Roaring 20s, hats that look like helmets. This place is insane. And if you like hats, if you like history, or just weird stuff, then you need to check this mansion at the Forsyth Park out. And hey, if you've got a lot of money, you can of course stay the night there. And also there is a really upscale restaurant as well. This is a restaurant known as 700 Drayton, as well as a hotel. And I am not going even to inquire as to how much it costs to stay a night in this hotel, because I'm imagining it comes with a hefty price tag, being right across from the park. Well, that is going to do it for our look at ladies' hats. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to share it with your family and friends. But until next time, Y'all have a good day.